After 22 wonderful years, our vendors are moving on, and this much-loved family home is ready for you to make your own. As we step inside, you'll notice classical charm and interactive space. 3 generous bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, conservatory, and more. The party game room is the perfect spot for friends to gather, compete, and enjoy endless fun in a vibrant, high-energy atmosphere. The house boasts 3 inviting decks, each offering a unique space to relax, entertain, and enjoy the surrounding views in comfort and style. This is the heart of the home. Entertainer's kitchen. It's huge, with butler's pantry, plenty of storage, and its ideal spot to whip up a meal. With its flexible living options, this home is just perfect. Whether you're hosting a growing family, multi-generational living, or even students, this space adapts to your needs. Location is key. Just a short walk to reputable schools, Green Bay Village, and a range of beautiful parks and beaches. You'll have everything at your doorstep. If you're looking for spacious, low-maintenance home in fantastic location, then 148 Cliffview Drive is just the one for you. We can't wait to show you around in person.